Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can transfer site ownership of your Squarespace site to another person, so let's get right into it. Now, to transfer your ownership, you do need to have another collaborator or contributor on your site to actually be able to move away your ownership. So you're going to need to invite them first, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, I don't have any collaborators on my site, so I'm not going to be able to exactly show you how ownership is transferred, but I'll do my best to explain it. Now, first, go into settings, go into permissions and ownership, and into permissions and ownership again. And if you don't have any contributors, click invite them, then add their name and email address. It is completely up to you who you invite. However, what is needed under global, you're going to set administrator privileges and then invite them and have them accept the invite. You do need to have them accept the invite before you actually transfer ownership, so they need to check their email for a, invitation. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and under owner, you'll see your name. Click on transfer ownership. This is going to ask you to continue with your account and log into your account again, just to be able to actually transfer your ownership. This is a security step to confirm it's you. And then to transfer ownership, you just click on this drop down menu, select the admin that you want. I don't have any, so I'm not going to select anyone. Then once you're done with that, click continue. And once you continue, you just follow the steps, and then you'll be able to completely transfer the ownership to another person. And as far as I'm aware, it might be instant or it might take a day or two. It is completely dependent on Squarespace. I'm not exactly sure how long it takes, but that is pretty much the process. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.